How to copy Instagram Reels link. Now let's say you want to copy the Instagram Reel link that you have seen on your feed and share it to someone else. Now all you have to do is to go to your Instagram Reel feed right here. And let's say we scroll down and we like what we saw. In order for us to copy the Instagram link of this specific reel, all we have to do is to go to this airplane-like button right here. And then we can now send this to our DM right here, or we can also share this to other social media platforms, or we can just copy this Instagram link right here. All we have to do to copy it is to click on copy link, and it will automatically be sent to our clipboard, which is right here. Now you can just paste it to anywhere else, and now you have copied that Instagram Reel link. So that's how to copy Instagram Reels link. Hope we help.